Today we're going to practice some counting. So one of the things that we'll use a lot when we're counting is our hundreds chart. So I want you to get out your hundreds chart and let's count together up to 30. Okay? So pause me if you need to get out your chart, and then we'll point to and count the numbers together. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, let's stop there. Okay, so you can practice count using this for counting. It can also help you if you want to write a number and you're not sure. You're like, oh, I want to write the number 4. I'm not sure how to write a 4. You can look on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, here's 4. And then you'll know, okay, here's how to make a 4. Okay, so you can use that to help you. Okay, so today we're going to play a game called Grab and Count. Now I have one of these papers, but you'll want to have 4 of them, okay? Because you'll want to do this many times today, because this wouldn't be very much math if you just did 2. So you'll want 4 of those. Okay, so grab and count. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to fill a bowl with either your gems. You might want to use your cubes. You'll probably want to use some of each, maybe even some pennies or beans or Legos, any kind of thing that you can grab a handful of. Okay? So step number 1 in this game is grab, right? It's called grab and count. So there's grab is the first step. So grab. So I'm going to reach into my bowl and grab. And I'm not getting like a huge handful, right? I'm not going like, whoa, and trying to fill my whole hand. That might be too many to count. So it's kind of like a pinch, okay? So get like a pinch of a grab. Okay. And then you need to count. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 this time. Okay, so that's 4. Now, you can see I'm pretending like this is my paper here. That's on the board. So you're going to write the number and draw a picture of it. So I had 4 gems. So I'm going to draw 4 gems. 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice how I did them in a line so that I could go back and count them if I need to. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's easy to count, right? That's a lot easier to count than if I did them all over my paper. I might forget which one I did first. Like 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute, did I count this one yet? I don't remember. But when they're in a line, I know which one I've already counted, and I can go straight down the line and count them if I need to recount. So I know I had 4, so I'm going to recount just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 4? Yeah, that's 4. Okay, and I'm going to write the number 4 in the box. Okay, so you'll write the number in the box and draw a picture of it in the space there. Okay, let me do it one more time to show you again. Let's see what I'm going to grab. This time I'm using my cubes. Okay, I'm going to grab a handful of cubes. Okay, here's my handful of cubes. And when I count things, I have one group here, right? Here's the things that I'm counting. And instead of trying to count them all like this, because it's the same as what I was doing before, I get confused about which ones I already counted. I take them from one group and I move them over to a new group like this. 1, and I make a line. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think it was 10. Let me count again just to make sure that I was correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's 10. Now, one thing I want to show you is, did you notice when I count the number I'm saying and my finger go at the same speed. I didn't go like this. 1, 2, 3, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is that really counting them? It's not. You have to do one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Every time I say a number, I touch one block. So there's 10. Okay, I'm going to need to draw a picture of 10 cubes here. 1, and I'm going to count. And as I'm drawing, I'm going to count. And my counting isn't going to go faster than my drawing, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I better recheck because I was kind of losing track a little bit there. And I also wanted to say some of my cubes didn't quite turn out how I was hoping. That's okay. It's okay. They're not perfect. It's okay. I tried my best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10. I'm going to write the number 10. Oh, but I don't know what 10 looks like. So I'm going to get out my hundreds chart and let's see if we can find 10 on here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah, there it is. 10. It's a 1 and a 0. A 1 and a 0 for 10. Okay, so this is what you're going to do today. Use your paper, and I want you to do this many times. You know how many that is? 4 plus 4? 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want you to do it 8 times, okay? You can use your gems, you can use your cubes, and you can use them many times. You can use Legos if you have Legos. If you have dried beans, you could do dried beans. If you have a little bowl of rocks, you could use a little bowl of rocks or acorns, something that you have. But it's okay if you want to use your gems and your cubes many times. That's okay. Okay? So go ahead, get busy with grab and count. So grab and count, and then you show your thinking on paper. And remember we said mathematicians often show their thinking on paper. So grab and count, and then show it on your paper. Okay, go ahead and get to work, mathematicians.